Hi, welcome to another video of Eclipse productivity hacks. So in this video, I will show you how can you make your searching faster in Eclipse. So when you want to search anything in Eclipse, what you do, you press Ctrl F and you see this dialog box opens. So if you want to search anything, say I want to search palindrome. So I'll write palindrome and then I will click on find, or you can click on select all. So it will select all the occurrences. But what if you want to search, do a live search? Live search means when you are actually typing, it should start matching that particular string that you have typed so far. So for example, if I have written PAL, then it should select PAL. So I'll tell you how we can enable that. To do that, what you will have to do, you will have to select this incremental. Now, once you do this, what will happen if I type P? See, it has selected the first occurrences of that P. See, as soon as I am typing, it is selecting that option. So, we'll end our video here and we'll meet in next video where we will see another trick.